Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow, 11th of October. And the first stock is Bank of Baroda. This we can buy above 89. And for swing trade or positional, you can buy it above 90. The next stock is Eris Life Science. This we can buy above 803. Then we have DMart. DMart we can buy above 4450. Then we have Indus Indian Bank. This we can buy above 1191 and safe side if it crosses above 1200. Then we have SBI card. This we can buy above 1165. Next is Grindwell. Grindwell we can buy above 1510. Gar Fibers. This we can buy above 3600. In cash stocks we have Tattva Chintan. This closed above previous swing high, so we can buy above 2400 and we can buy this for swing as well. And for swing trade you can keep stop loss below this green candle 2285. Then we have Subros. Subros in intraday we can buy above day high and for swing trade we can buy this above 380. So this made a kind of flag pattern as well. So we can buy this above 380. Then we have MTAR Tech. MTAR Tech we can buy above day high 1640 and this also you can add for swing trade, but you have to keep stop loss below this candle 1465. For shorting we have Oro Pharma. This we can short below 705 and for swing trade we have Uflex. This has given inverted head and shoulder and on weekly chart it has broken an upward trend line as well. So this also we can buy for swing or positional you can add. So all these stocks now which I will tell, these are kind of for swing and positional. Though you can, if you see any pattern in 5 minute chart, you can buy for intraday as well because all these stocks are showing a strong price action. And the next we have exchanging. This we can buy above 127. You can buy this for positional as well. You can see this has broken its ATH and then consolidating above that zone. So you have to keep stop loss of around 100 and then you can buy for positional. Next is IIFL Securities. This also we can buy for swing and positional. This is showing a kind of reversal. So this also we can buy above 108 and you can buy in intraday as well. Next is Hill. Hill also kind of taking support here and it may bounce back. So this also you can buy for a swing trade and you have to keep a stop loss of 4800. Next stock is MCX. MCX has given a kind of big range breakout. So this also looks very good for positional. You can keep a stop loss of 1800 and you can buy. Then we have Rallis. Rallis also we can buy for swing trade. It is taking support at this trend line and it made a double bottom W pattern as well. So this also you can buy and stop loss you can keep 297 daily close. Radico, this also you can buy for swing trade because it has given a ascending triangle breakout and you have to keep a stop loss of 945 day close. Then we have Dilip Buildcon. Dilip Buildcon, I will show you weekly chart. So this is making kind of inverted head and shoulder. So if it start closing above 730, then you can initiate a position in this stock. So we need a closing above 730. Next is UPL. UPL has broken its ATH and it has taken support. So this also you can add for swing trade, and you have to keep stop loss of 690 day close. So these are stocks for tomorrow and next week. That's it for today. Thank you everyone.